Hey, come here and look at this. Come here and look at this. Holy crap, come here and look at this, babe. Here it is right here. Here it is right here. Here it is right here. You guys see this. You guys see this. It's right here. See it? Holy crap. Right there. See it? It's on the ground too. It's a tornado. You see it? Right between the two pillars. Or the two poles. See it? On the ground.
Oh, shit.
Wow, yeah. Wow. That's one right there. That's a big sumbitch too. Look at that. Wow. We got it. Look at it right there, clear as day. This is why we came to the marina. Wow, look at it. There's two of them. See the second one next to it?
Yeah.
There's two of them now. There's actually three of them. You seeing this?
Yeah.
Holy crap, it's like Palooza going on right now. Look at all of them. Holy crap. This is amazing right here. Look at that. Holy crap. We nailed this thing. Oh my God, look at how beautiful it is. Brandon, I can't talk to you right now. I am taking a video of this thing. No, you can't. I'll report it in a minute. Right now I got to document it. It's a big one, isn't it? It's still going too. It's still going. It's two of them. It's multiple vortex right now. Oh man, look at that thing. Maybe we should call 911. But every time I do, I end up losing what I'm doing. Let me go wait. It's coming ashore now. See it? It's definitely a big old boy right there, right on the tail end of it. Well, I don't want to call anybody until I'm done documenting this thing. Can I use your phone? Oh, you're documenting too. Go ahead. Just keep on documenting this thing. Look at the top, how it's swirling around. You seeing it?
Yeah. I'm getting all those too.
That's what I'm saying, man. Look at that thing. Look at that cloud. And there's a tornado right on the edge of it. That's when I turned around and was like, oh boy, you got to see this thing. You got to see this thing. That is a tornado right now. Tornado warning is in effect for it. And you see why. There's a tornado on the tail end of this thing. It's kind of rain wrapped. It's still on the ground. Right there. We have a tornado on the ground. You see right there where it's at. It's still on the ground. It's a multiple vortex. Look at all the vortexes it has, or vortices. I'm calm, but yet I am shaking because that is what we came out for. It is still on the ground right there. Man, oh man. Marina had it today. I'm glad we came over here. Oh look, it's coming down again. You see it? Oh my God, yeah. Yeah, right there. Yep, it's coming down again. Let's go over this way. I don't want to. I'm just going to stay right here. Holy crap, look at that thing. Man, this is a big tornado right here. I have to. Yeah, look at it. There's another one forming behind it. You see the one? There's another one behind it.
Yeah.
Oh man, are you serious? This thing, I'm tornado palooza right now. I got the sign in my way now. I'm gonna walk up here. About where is that? Parker? Well, they have a tornado on the ground, wherever that is. Large tornado on the ground at that. Oh, man. We got a really good visual of it now, babe. You gotta come here and look at this thing. We got an excellent visual of it now.